Yes, I'm knackered. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Keep it tidy. We're going somewhere today, I don't know where it is. Some falls, then going to a place called Tai Tai. Oh my god, gives me, I can't breathe. Go back to the land. Back to the land. Rhea. It's following you everywhere. Go back to the land. Coming out of me today. So yeah, bit of an adventure today. Not had camera out in a while, so we might be a bit rusty. But yeah, let's get into it. Should be good. I'm going with Brian, so it should be good. Okay.
You go, Jabili.
Right, where are we going, Brenda?
No.
Where are we going?
Jabili.
We're going to some water thing with a swing, and I don't know where we're going. I'll tell you when we get there.
Yeah.
Jollibee!
Jabili.
Right, let's get on it. Back rider. One sack. Oh! One sack. Pandesal, bilhin na kayo. Let's go.
Guys, Robbie.
Bye bye.
Jabili.
Jollibee.
Yeah.
What things do here?
You buy it first, brother.
Yeah, buy some Marlboro Golds. Right, I'll see you when we get there.
Yeah.
Yes, we're here. Let's go.
Go, brother.
Doubles place.
No more place.
Doubles place.
Doubles.
Tai Tai.
Yeah.
Palawan.
Tai Tai Palawan.
Go to the other place. Right, I've had a nightmare. No water. There's no water in pool. Change of plan. It had no water, so we've set up camp at a little pool area. What's this camera saying? Front nose. So we've set up camp now, yeah? Tai Long it's called. In so we're gonna have a little swim and then carry on with our day. It's alright, to be fair. I've not been in a pool in ages, I'm dying to get in. What's up with this? Yeah, we'll go. Right, as I was saying, we can't go anywhere. I've been told off from the camera out in pool. There's kids. Get a little sneak preview. Right, there's kids everywhere. Oh, Brenda, she's nice, her. She's nice for you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
What's up?
I'm good, brother.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've been told off from the camera, you can't win. Been to 2 places and know what's happening for the vlog. But we're going to go to one more place after this. It's red hot, can't breathe. So let's go. Just wait a minute. Let's go.
Let's go, brother.
Right, we're binning it off. And we're going to go into the centre of Tai Tai. I need some slippers, sliders. Whoa! Fucking hell, Brenda! They fell off. Shit!
Yeah.
He will come close, didn't it? Wanker!
Yeah.
Wanker! Say wanker!
Wanker.
So yeah, we're gonna go try to spice this vlog up a little bit. It's not been the best so far, but we keep going, don't we? So let's go. And after that, we're gonna go to Falls after, Brenda.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna save this vlog. We're gonna save it. Sit back. We'll save it. We've got some nice back roads here. I ain't got a clue where we are. Tie, that's it. Tie. Oh, here we go. No. I love a shit shop. Shit shops. Stinks in here, Brian.
Oh.
Stinks of fish.
It's good, brother. For you.
The shoes that breathe. The slippers that breathe. God, it's packed in here, mush. It's packed in here, mush. No caps in here, Brenda, for me. No caps in here, Brenda.
Hey, good there, brother. Oh,
fuck, it stinks, Brenda.
Yeah?
Yeah, it stinks. No, looking good. Don't know what it's gonna look like in here. Hi! Right, row. It stunk in there, Brian. It stunk in there, didn't it? Fish. Fish and that. Just over that. I'm gonna try somewhere else. I want a cap. I give my old one away. Buy a new one. Don't ask why. There, look. There.
Here?
Yeah, let's have a look at them caps there. Mate, everyone says cap. New cap in that.
Yeah.
Oh, car. Might get one of them, you know. Fucking hell, bangers. What size am I? 41.
Hey, here, brother. Suit for you.
No.
You
You
try.
don't like them ones?
Oh, the suit for you, brother.
Yeah, it fits me, but I don't like the style.
Why? Suit stand.
Fucking not.
Your nail is not so good.
Your nails, my nails, yeah, look, fucking no nails, mate. Fucking. Oh, I like them ones, Brian.
Oh,
They're too small. My feet, malaki.
Yeah,
Too
malaki,
big, mush.
brother. Yeah.
State nails, mate.
Over there.
Oh. Come on, let's.
Oh shit.
Come on, let's go find somewhere else.
Okay.
Let's go.
Where?
I don't know.
Oh, I do.
Hats, more hats. Whoa. Caps and that.
Cap?
Caps.
Here. Hey.
I can't believe it on my camera on, mate. Some guy had a fucking bag on his head, like an Asda bag. Bag for life on his head. It's not even raining. Not that I'd have a bag on my head anyway, but.
Oh, cap.
You think cap's in there?
Yeah.
This is trying to find cap vlog. Cats in that. What's in there then? Jerseys and that. They make jerseys? No caps, brother.
No cap?
No. They make jerseys. They make jerseys in there, mate. I don't need a jersey.
Ay, di ka na kami plano. Huh?
Right, we just need to crash because I'm just. Do you want to stay here? Are you come with me?
Yeah.
Flip it.
Okay.
Flip it, reverse it. I've just found a shot with caps in it, mate. Get up! And it's a cap I want and all. Watch it, won't fit, mate.
Oh.
Yes! That's it. We found it. Get out. What's your name?
My name is Adrian. What's your name?
Josh, brother. Nice to meet you.
Where from?
I'm from England.
From England.
Yeah. I live in Alimanguan. Yeah. San Vicente, yeah.
You vape now?
Yeah?
You vape?
Vape?
You just vape?
I do vape, mate, yeah.
Okay.
Look at his hand. It's nice, right? Do you know what? I'm going to get a vape, yeah?
Yeah. You need to get a vape.
Yeah.
You want a disposable?
This is just the disposable is good for me now.
Guys, your disposable is like 560.
560?
Yeah.
Are these okay, yeah? Let's have a look.
This one. Ah, okay. Oh.
How many puff?
Today the vape has no pops. Like it's ml. You see the juice inside?
Yeah, okay.
You see the juice
I need to
inside?
pick a flavour.
Yeah.
What flavour?
Yeah, we have a flavor like mango. We have mixed berries. Like,
Mixed berry?
Yeah.
Mixed berry's good.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah. And also, can I try this out?
Yeah.
Where's it gone?
Yeah.
This one.
This
I
one.
try.
Okay.
Oh, it might not fit me 'cause it's a...
Let's try this one, brother.
This is a big one, brother. Oh, it's...
Just like you, brother.
Might do.
Oh, it's good, brother. Fuck.
Yes. See, told you.
Yeah.
Magkano ang ganda niya?
It's good.
Fish made and all. Sorry, brother. What you saying, chat?
Oh,
What you saying, chat? Oh, that's it, innit, Brenda?
yeah.
What you saying?
It's good. Ah, it's good.
Watch.
Oh.
Oh!
Nice.
Right, we're getting vapes hats a lot.
Ay, ano.
Mate, them slippers are alright, no?
Oh, slipper?
Jordan slippers. Let me just try one of them on. What you saying?
Malaki, brother.
Malaki? I like them, you know. Thank you so much.
I will watch the Black
Yeah, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Thank you very much. You'll be on YouTube, eh? That's how you sell it. People just like to be on YouTube, don't they? Look at him! Crap on. Fresh.
Yeah.
Right, we're in like a family establishment, as you can see. Right, Ryan wants to go get a red horse. No, he wants a beer in here. Well, I won't say no, I'm not bothered for a beer. Not mad on them at the minute, but I love them. I like a beer. Right, Jolly Bees. This is what I've got. That's for dog. Coke, smash, nuggets, burger, spaghetti, chicken, burger steak or something. So let's get into it. Let's see what it's all about. Bit of sketty. Bit of sketty. Sketty bolognese. Bit mad this.
Wala pa kasi kasama. Sama lang po ito.
Okay.
Nah, it's not for me that one.
Okay, palitan natin ano? Okay lang. Sige, pagkaroon ako. Kabalik ka lang po.
Right, chicken. Spicy and all. Oh,
Go! Okay?
fucking spicy. On my lips.
Yeah.
Right, last but not least, but we've got this little pecker. Right, thought you were a burger. I thought you were a burger. Where's my burger? Fucking not having rice, got the arse. Right, burger. No, it's not, it's rice. Where's my burger then? I ordered a burger. Don't want fucking rice.
Rice?
I ordered a burger. No burger, fuck 'em. Fucking two rice, mate. Best thing about it was mash. Mash and gravy were banging. Everything else shit. 2.9 out of 10. A minute. I can't fucking see it, mate. There. Young burger.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, but is it two?
Just one.
Yeah, but you ordered one for your son,
Yeah.
so it should be two.
Dalawa daw mo.
You ordered one, I ordered one. We've kicked up a stink, mate. Burgers here, and I'm telling you now, yeah, that burger don't look bad. Stay there. What's you looking at? Right, burgers here. Let's give it a review. Looks alright, like, you know. Like a caravan burger or something. That shit. Not even doing it, I'm putting it in. I didn't video it because I was doing a TikTok, but I've just fed this little bubbles out here. Still eating a little bit. Oh, is that nice, boys? Eh? Well, that nice. Oh, bless her. We're 2 hours away from home. I can't take her up bike. Oh, God, she's bleeding. She's got mange. She's no good. But I've given her a little hope today, so at least she can get through today, can't she? Mate, look, I'm clipping me.
Oh. Hey, hey, hey!
Brenda!
Fucking Brenda!
Clipping me? My hairline back. I can't see it on camera. But there's no in comments. Turkey or not? Nah, mate. I am not doing no turkeys. I'd rather have fucking no hair. No teeth. Oh. Fucking hell. Man, Brendan this stuff down. Yeah, mate. Mad cunt. Fucking hell, Brenda. It's videoing and all.
I think she's slow.
Do you want me to get off?
No,
Go,
it's good, it's good.
full throttle, full. Give it some, give it some, give it some. Give it some. Go, go, go! Look at those chicken legs. Go on, Brenda, get some. Get up there, my mush. Fucking hell, where are we? In a little village or something. Right, get some full welly up here. Go. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Fucking hell, we're in rivers and that.
Oh!
We fucked it. Oh, me feet. Fucking going on here. It's fucking. Oh, you side panel, Brenda?
Yeah.
Your panel? Oh.
No, it's good, bro.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is it done it before?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's nothing new. Oh, look at that. Slots back in. Again. Oh, look at that. Brand spanker again. Whoa! She fucking tipped his bike over.
Hey, brother!
Is that it, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we're rambling here. We're actually in jungle. Mate, that's not a fucking waterfall. We've got... Oh, God. Oh!
Whoa!
It's actually deep, is that?
That's good! Woo!
Woo!
Very cold! Fuck!
It's cold!
Woo! Let's go, brother!
It's actually deep there. I'm gonna get in. Right, let's get in. Oh, Brenda, that's cold, that, isn't it? Ooh! Fucking hell! That is fucking cold, that, Brenda.
It's very cold, bro. Right, man, are you gonna eat it? Yeah.
Fuck off, mate. It's grand, that. He's trying to find that fucking bit of fruit that's fallen on my shoulder. You can't eat that.
Yeah.
It's fucking gone off. Fuck off. What is it? Alright, trying that.
Yeah, I ate. Oh!
What? You're just eating a fucking mouldy fruit, mate. Mate, look at my toes. Yeah. They're bad, aren't they? I've lost 4 toenails in 3 months. Mate, I can't eat that.
Yeah.
Alright. So easily persuaded that. Alright then.
Bro.
Mate. It's okay, I won't try. Oh, he's got it. It's fucking got it. God's sake. It's, what, it's bite into it, yeah?
That's good, brother.
What am I eating here? The jelly bit? That?
Yeah.
Is that a fucking nut? Look at that.
Refer to it. Oh. It's nice.
It's alright, that.
Yeah.
It's actually good. Yeah, but it's a fucking nut inside it.
Yeah.
Alright. I've not had no fizz or sour in ages. I love fizzy. Go on, last dip. Before we go. Mate, you can jump in because you're about a fucking 2'1". I can't jump in that, mate. I'm fucking 6'100".
It's very close, brother.
Can I jump in there? I'm too tall. I'm too tall to jump in there. I'll try though. It's a good life. It's a good life. Mate, I can't jump in there, can I? Surely not. Look at that, see? Fuck, that is cold. Shit, man. Mate, I can't get up. Look at the stretch on him. Big stretch. Can't see. Wish you could feel how cold that is. That's meant to be a waterfall. What? Whoa! Shit! Woo! Mate, I'm going down there, mate. Right, well, it's been a good one. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, we're off. Right, well, that's it. It's another vlog done. We're gonna head back to. Whoa! Head back to the village now. Got a birthday party to go to. So, I might get that on vlog. Might be another vlog, I don't know. We'll see how. I don't know how much time we've got left now. But yeah. Like, subscribe! Tell them! Like, subscribe!
Like, subscribe!
Keep tidy!
Keep inside there, brother!
Yeah!